Hi everybody, I'm going to do a quick eyeshadow tutorial for you. I've already put my makeup on and I did this eye. It's very neutral and these are the colors that I'm using. This is Rome, this is Chai, this is Lullaby, no that's Dream, sorry, Dream, and that's Philly, so I'll use that as my liner. So it's just a very quick tutorial. So I'm going to start out with the lightest color and just do a light wash all over the lid and going up on my brow bone. I have large eyes with deep set, and then I have this very strong brow bone, and so if I don't put color up there, you just don't see it. I mean, it might just disappear. So anyway, light wash of that, and then flip the brush around and do a little bit under my eye to kind of bring a little shadow there. And then I'm going to dip into a little bit darker, the darker shade, and concentrate that just on the outer, kind of the outer V of my eye. And these eyeshadows from Seint are super buildable. They're very pigmented. So it doesn't take a lot of product to make the color stand out on your eye. And then I'm going to actually use my finger in the shimmery shade and just put that right there, a little bit on the lid, and kind of concentrate it more towards the inner corner, kind of open that up. And then you can take a clean brush or clean off your brush with your tile, cleaning tile if you don't have one. Those are fabulous for in between. You don't need a lot of brushes. So I'm just gonna blend in those edges. And then for the eyeliner, I like to do this dark chocolate brown because I'm not wearing black lashes or mascara. I don't do that. And then I just do just a light liner kind of in between the lashes just to bring a little bit of definition there. And then if you want, you can kind of put a little winged shadow here. I'm not always adept at getting them straight, so I don't always do them, but so you know that one's slightly darker than the other side. So I saw a tip the other day that said do the harder side first and then match it, but usually what happens is they just are not even because of course your eyes are not even, and so I end up just skipping that. But anyway, that is a very quick tutorial of using some neutral shades, especially when you have like a darker lipstick or lip color. If you're going for that bolder look, then definitely I think it's better, and it's my preference to keep the eye a little neutral. And kind of the opposite is if you were doing a very dramatic eye, you might keep the lips more on the softer side or neutral side. So there's my look for today. I used these colors. I'll put the details in my comment section. On my cheeks, I have a combination of nude and black cherry that I have never done before. This is nude, this is black cherry. I was kind of going for a plum look, kind of playing around with colors, but anyway, hope you like it. Have a great day.